The best binary options strategy that can truly transform a trader from zero to hero in the financial markets is one that combines simplicity, discipline, and consistency while making use of proven methods such as trend following, price action, and risk management. Because binary options trading, unlike other markets, is fast-paced and requires precise decision-making in limited timeframes. A trader who wishes to achieve consistent profits and climb from being a beginner with no experience to a confident professional must start with a structured approach that involves identifying strong market trends through reliable indicators such as moving averages or Bollinger Bands, because trends act as the foundation for high-probability trades, and when combined with candlestick patterns or support and resistance zones, they provide clearer entry and exit points. But simply following signals is not enough, as the hero-making factor lies in mastering psychology and risk management, meaning that traders must never risk more than a small percentage of their capital on a single trade, usually between 1 to 3%, to protect themselves from inevitable losses. Since even the most accurate strategies face losing streaks, and what separates beginners from advanced traders is the ability to survive and recover without blowing an account. Which is why risk-to-reward ratios and disciplined money management are crucial components of a zero-to-hero approach, because they allow steady growth instead of reckless gambling. And another important part of this strategy is adaptability, as markets are never static, and strategies must evolve with changing volatility, news events, and liquidity conditions. So traders who wish to grow must constantly review their performance, track every trade, and refine their methods to eliminate weaknesses. And this continuous process of improvement is what ultimately turns theory into mastery, while at the same time, traders should avoid the common pitfall of overtrading, because patience is often the difference between a small consistent winner and a losing gambler, and in binary options where decisions must be made quickly, impulsive trades can destroy weeks of hard work, which is why a zero-to-hero strategy emphasizes only taking high-probability setups and ignoring noise, meaning fewer but better trades. And one of the most effective ways to apply this is through price action confirmation on trend pullbacks or breakout levels supported by momentum indicators such as RSI or MACD, which not only filter out false signals but also give confidence to hold trades until expiry with clarity. And when these technical strategies are combined with strict emotional control, a trader can gradually shift from uncertainty and losses to confidence and consistency. And that is the essence of going from zero to hero, because the strategy itself is not a secret formula, but a disciplined framework that includes trend identification, confirmation with price action and indicators, money management rules, psychological discipline, and continuous learning. And when all these elements are applied with patience and dedication, the outcome is a powerful trading approach that not only generates profits, but also builds the resilience and confidence every trader needs to succeed in the challenging world of binary options.